We go back with Raila and Ida during Jaramogi's time. And the last day Jaramogi left Nairobi, we walked through her as his secretary. And I walked him through the stairs of Ajib House. And as I put him in the car, he told me he will come back the following week. We go and see President Moi. He had rang President Moi and told him that he wants an appointment with him and SK. So I walked him downstairs and put him in the car to come to Bodo and come back to Nairobi the following week. As I put him in the car in Nairobi, he told me he has two sons, one called Oburu and one called Raila. And I'm older of them, of the two of them. I take care of them. So whenever you have been hearing rumors, Akikuyu called SK, even during Matiba's time, that is supporting Raila, Oginga, or others, during Kebake's time and Uhuru's time, that I'm supporting Oginga, Raila Odinga, is because they are my brothers. They were left for me, and she testifies to that by the father, Oginga Odinga. You take heart, Mama. Take heart.
Thank you.
We'll fight him there. He's a great man. He was a great man. Just like his father. Like father, like son. He was a great father. For this country, he has given to this country what we don't know. Maybe the history will tell us. But for now, we don't know anybody else who has given that much of his life to this country. Yeah. Let's wait. Those who will be here, like the young Turks, they will tell us when they come to heaven. Mama, thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you very much.